The State Department says it will start implementing the president's travel ban on Thursday morning. The U.S. Supreme Court has partially reinstated the ban on travel from 6 mostly Muslim countries. The State Department says it'll consult with the Justice and Homeland Security Departments first. The court did protect people with family here, people taking a job, and people coming to study. Justices will hear the full case in October. This ruling has local mosques worried about what might happen next. NBC Connecticut's Dan Corcoran live in East Hartford with that part of the story. Dan.
Well, Jerry, reaction has been coming in from all over Connecticut, with people wondering how what happened in Washington at the Supreme Court might be impacting them here. Uncertainty, anxiety, and a lot of questions throughout Connecticut's Muslim community tonight.
This is the United States, and we hope to stay united.
Zahir Manin of the Battle Aman Mosque in Meriden reacting to news that President Donald Trump's ban on travel from these 6 mostly Muslim countries will be implemented starting Thursday.
Our response is always prayers and patience.
The Supreme Court just decided that the ban can be enforced for refugees and travelers who do not have close personal relations living in the U.S. There are still some big questions about how those personal relations will be defined.
Obviously, there's a lot of anxiety.
The executive director of the Connecticut chapter of the Council on American Islamic Relations tells me the timing of this development right at the end of the holy month of Ramadan is unsettling.
Some of our staff members, especially lawyers, had to come back and get back to work on a day that they were supposed to be celebrating this holiday with their families and friends.
CAIR Connecticut just issued this advisory, urging local Muslims to speak with an immigration lawyer before doing any internet travel.
It's alarming, but we're going to do the best that we can to respond in a dignified manner and with honorable dialogue.
Now, in addition to issuing this travel advisory, CAIR Connecticut is actually also holding some town hall meetings and using social media to get the word out to local Muslims about how these rules could impact them. Reporting live in East Hartford tonight, I'm Dan Corcoran, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha, back to you.
Dan,